Over here, I would like to discuss with Gurjot as to how did you approach the ISB YLP essays. Then we'll come to the next part of the discussion. And viewers, please feel free to throw in your questions, and we'll be taking them up one by one.
Yeah. So I think during my time, the first essay was slightly different. It was something regarding your biggest failure. And again, as I said, I had very limited time to, tackle that essay. So I had a period of 4 months to be able to crack that essay. But again, as you shared, the things that they're looking for. So to my luck, this story I spoke about was around my this thing for stock trading. So I was into stock trading, and the essay, the question was, "What's the biggest loss you ever suffered?" Right. So I spoke about it, and what I believe ISB is actually looking for is a true story and not a rosy picture. So because I had been through the entire issue, I was able to speak about it clearly with facts. And this also came up later in my interview because one of the panelists, who was also a YLP student, could relate to it. So that also helped me and helped him to understand that I was not trying to, build up a fake story, or and it was a real story. So again, what I would like to explain is, like, it's not necessary for you to speak about all the nice things that you've done, right? And not try to oversell yourself. So that's the approach that I used unintentionally in the first mock, in the first essay, and in the second essay, obviously, with 1 month of back and forth with Shruti on my essay. So yeah.